You're listening to Instant Microwave Fuzz, an improvised sketch comedy podcast recorded live in Maui, Hawaii. Aloha! To learn more about Instant Microwave Fuzz, go to IMF Maui on Instagram. Support us on Patreon under Instant Microwave Fuzz. And now on with the show.
Oh, sweetie, I'm just so excited we're finally taking this trip.
Oh, dear. It's so lovely to finally get out of, our little cottage.
Oh, I know, I love our cottage, but I've always wanted to see the world.
Well, dreams are coming true for us today.
Oh, it really is a dream come true. I can't believe we won these tickets.
I know, quite grand.
Grand indeed. Oh, I hope I can sleep on this flight, but if I can't, I wonder what they'll be showing on the plane.
Oh, God, I hope it's something that all ages can enjoy.
I do love G-rated movies.
Yeah, Mom, can you get my movie ready for me? Because just get it up to the internet. Get on the internet.
What did I tell you about talking to us?
Hey, excuse me, guys. Is your wireless working? Like, I don't have anything working on my phone. Like,
You know, I don't seem to have anything coming up yet.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain speaking. We are cruising at about 30,000 feet right now. It's only 4 hours till we make it to Antigua. And if you have lost Wi-Fi at this point, that is because I am BitTorrenting the new Magic Mike film.
what?
And there's just not enough bandwidth for all of us, so super sorry about that, but someone asked me to take care of this for me.
Oh.
And ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain's girlfriend speaking. I'd like everyone to know that this is not only a flight for you guys, but also a romantic date for us. And for once, Patrick, we're gonna watch the movie that I wanna watch.
Yes, dear.
This doesn't seem like a very professional airline. What's going on?
Mommy,
guys?
can you watch the movie, Mom?
What?
Oh no, we can't have our little babies watching this smut film.
What?
It's on all the screens.
the third and final chapter, I hear.
Well,
It might be exciting for everyone. I don't know.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain speaking. We could not figure out how to just watch Magic Mike here in the cockpit. We downloaded it. We are not using all the bandwidth, but it is on every screen in the plane now, except for in first class.
Ladies and gentlemen, just buckle up for what will be a magical Mike experience for all of you. It's going to be a journey where we join Channing Tatum as he finds himself through the art of erotic dance and gyrations. It's fun for the whole family.
Well, I will give it a try.
oh, we have our sweet babies on this flight. Oh, they're looking forward to a movie, Pa. What are we gonna do? Is this how every flight is?
Oh, I don't know if I'm quite ready to watch a bunch of sexy men dancing. It seems like it might kill time in the wrong kind of way.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain speaking. I wasn't aware that that's what this movie is about. I thought it was about hip-hop. I'm a big hip-hop head, and I thought it was a microphone that's magic.
Ladies and gentlemen, I told the captain what this movie was about 5 times in the last 3 weeks. It just goes to show that the captain isn't very good at listening to the people who are important to them, even though they send their mother a Mother's Day card every year.
It seems like this airline has a little bit of relationship problems.
Have you flown this airline before?
This didn't happen before last time.
Wait a minute. It's starting.
Oh,
Well, there is a microphone.
oh, little bitty, let me cover your eyes.
Oh, wow.
Ladies
one of my
and
sleep
gentlemen,
masks?
this is your captain speaking. I don't have a problem listening. It's more just that someone is always talking, incessantly.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain's soon-to-be ex-girlfriend, ex-love of his life, talking. Have you ever just felt like you didn't matter to somebody at all? At all?
Oh,
Well, guess who's got co-pilot controls, baby?
You know, I feel like we don't matter to them.
I'm getting a little bit worried now. Is there going to be a struggle for the flight, control of this flight?
Is this safe?
I just can't believe how athletic Channing Tatum is. Oh, look at him. He's like a unicorn dancing across the screen.
Oh,
Ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain speaking. I just wanted to say that I can't live without her. I'm sorry for what I've done, and I can learn to enjoy this movie if it's what you enjoy, dear.
Ladies and gentlemen, you may see some belongings flying past the side of the exterior windows. It's because I'm throwing all of the captain's shit outside, because we're done.
The cabin's getting depressurized, guys. That is not a good thing.
is this
That is not a good thing.
This isn't normal?
No, those are not supposed to fall from the ceiling.
This is my first flight. We've never been on a plane before.
Where are we, Mommy? How much longer till we get there?
My ears just popped.
If you're having trouble breathing, just put the mask over yourself before you help somebody else and stare at Channing Tatum's rock-hard abs.
They're mesmerizing.
It's like autoerotic asphyxiation.
Oh, come closer, Billy. Let me put your mask on.
Oh, the movie is getting better with lack of oxygen.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain speaking. I'm tired of helping someone before I help myself. It seems like it's constant, and oftentimes that person doesn't appreciate it, that I show affection and attention in ways that that person doesn't appreciate, although I can't live without her.
Buying somebody flowers, passengers, that are 2 days old and half dead is not a form of affection, all right? I think we're ready to burn this place to the ground via erotic dance.
I think someone's got to do something.
I'm glad they shut the door. I can breathe again, but I wish we could turn their microphones off.
I don't know if our son is
I can't hear
breathing,
this.
Pa.
Billy, or quit whining.
Well, he can breathe because he's crying.
You're always
Mommy.
whining.
Tell the captain.
I told
to
you.
Land the plane.
Shut up.
I'm going to go knock on the captain's door like this. Come on, guys.
Do you feel like the captain and it seems like they have a fiery relationship?
You need to fix this, Captain.
You know,
Ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain speaking. I am realizing that I have a thing for damaged people, not just romantically, although it is on full display that we are not compatible, but it is a fiery romance. I am concerned that when the plane hits the ground, she's going to go slut it up with the first Antiguan that she meets, because they are some sexy folks.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is your Captain Slut speaking. I think it's just important to note that the captain can't get it up unless a hairless man is gyrating on a screen in front of him.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain retaliating because of what my soon-to-be ex-slut just said.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the captain's dream girl, as he called me, the last 2 years of our relationship, and now you can just treat that all like trash.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain speaking, and my microphone is bigger than hers, so I can...
Ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain's ex-love speaking.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain stopping her.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm dying.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is highly irregular. You should not let people besides your captain tell you what's going on the flight. This person is not qualified.
Oh, I think a
Ladies
love
and
scene's
gentlemen,
happening.
what's the emergency protocols for a broken heart?
Ladies Ladies and gentlemen, she hits me. This is a violent relationship, ladies and gentlemen.
Oh, he's really giving it to her.
Ladies and gentlemen, the only way he can get off is if I hit him.
Ladies and gentlemen, there's nothing wrong with that. That's a normal thing. At least I'm still physically fit enough to not need chemicals like her ex, Greg.
Ladies and gentlemen, why did he call me by his mom's name?
Ladies and gentlemen, my mother's
you
name
catch
is
that
Kat.
last
Her
one?
name is Catherine. It's easy.
Ladies and gentlemen, he called me mommy.
Ladies and gentlemen, and those beyond the binary, she is a TERF. She only likes ladies and gentlemen. That's why she keeps saying that.
Oh, I can't take
I
this
can't wait for this
anymore.
plane to land.
I really hope
I
it
don't-
works out for these two.
I don't know if we're gonna land.
Ladies and gentlemen, Antigua is 1 hour and 50 minutes away.
I do want to finish the movie, though.
Oh, poor Billy.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'd just like to say, me and the captain made up. This is actually kind of a normal Saturday for us. Have a great rest of your flight.
It was a trick?
Ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain speaking. It's sort of a fiery relationship, lots of ups and downs, lots of ins and outs, and what have you. I'm proud to say, though, that I do love this woman more than anything I've ever loved. This week.
Ladies and gentlemen, we'll be toxic until the day we're dead. Have a wonderful flight. Thanks for flying with Gaslight Airlines.
Just seems unhealthy.
Oh, Pa, I don't know if I ever want to fly again. This is
I
painful.
think I'll just stay here.
Oh.
You're now listening to the Freaky Leaks podcast. Strap in.
Hey, Freaking Leaks podcast, the only podcast strictly for, by, and about HR directors of large multinational corporations. And the
All right.
freaky things we see. We want to keep it anonymous today, baby. My name is Darius D. And I am the HR director at a large international coffee conglomerate.
My name is allegedly Allison. I'm the CEO of a women's athletic and athleisure wear company that will not be named, but we are big and tight.
I am Willie Whispers, and I am an HR representative of a large oil conglomerate. Not saying nothing here.
And you can call me Gigi Squeaks, and I run HR at a very well-known online shopping and shipping company.
Oh, the Whisper Mill is churning, folks. We all have heard some freaky things this week, and we can't wait to spill that tea. At my very own company this week, there was a certain head of advertising caught in flagrante. That's right, pants down, legs up, on top of a boardroom.
Oh, stop! But don't stop. Keep
Oh my gosh.
going.
After hours, baby, and everybody knows.
Oh, no.
Oh my gosh. Well, as the CEO of HR at my athletic and athleisure company, a little rumor mill's going around that several of the store branch managers at a location that will not be named, rhymes with Smiladelphia. These ladies started a ring of cam guys with their sugar daddies.
Go off, queen.
You can find them at daddywarfucksdaddycam.com.
Hot.
Well, that doesn't sound very professional.
Hold on, we have a guest in the studio. He's getting a little bit anxious here and bothered. Let everybody tell their story, and then you can tell yours.
Then we'll bring in our special guest for the week. We got a hot and spicy special guest.
You're gonna love this one. We just met right now before we came on the mic, and he's gonna get into some naughty tales. But first, how we oiling them up in the oil industry?
Well, they were quite greasy during the Christmas party this last year. Looks like Candy sees how many candy canes she could stick in her. You know where?
Chawinga. Well, I don't know what you've been hearing, but at my company, a certain C blank O was spotted in the office. Boo, 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 boo. Yes, you better believe in-house medical had to come because what was in there? Anything he could get his hands on. I'm talking there was a stapler and there was a box of pens.
Oh, no, he did it.
Oh, yes, he did. And about 14 rulers all up the backside.
Was he-
rear entry only.
Was he okay?
Okay, folks.
They say there's no measure for talent.
TBD.
I'm sorry, folks. Our guest is just chomping at the bit to get into this.
I'm just a little
I
confused.
hear-
Jump in the juicy pool, special guest.
Listen,
Tell us about it. This guy.
I hear he's a real tease.
You know, this guy can spill the tea, I'm sure, but in your industry, you spill a lot more than that. Tell us about it. What's it like being an HR director in your industry? Introduce yourself. What's your name?
Well, we can just go with G. And I am HR for a certain adult entertainment studio, and I am. I am.
know it's gonna be juicy.
You know we're gonna get some stories out of here.
Let the juices flow, baby.
I have to say,
Wet.
this is the most unprofessional podcast about like helping employees I've ever been on. This I don't know
you.
what are you guys doing here? Like these are not jokes. These
Is
are
this
people.
a setup to your
No,
juicy
this-
HR
these-
story
You're
about your
hilarious.
employees?
Did
No,
you not
so
just
funny.
hear the story about the girl putting candy canes in a poon?
I was very concerned. Is she okay?
You work in the adult entertainment industry. How
Yes.
many office supplies have you seen in a rectum?
Nothing that wasn't on script. But like the thing is,
you
all
guys put
safety
your
measures.
ad-
No, safety measures have to be upheld.
Do you guys put your ads on your adult streaming platform? Do you put ads for Daddy Warfucks?
Of course, like yes, but like maybe I should have watched the podcast before, but like I'm
pretty
this is-
sure I saw a stepson bang his own stepmother and stepsister. Somehow that's not adding up. Somebody's got to be related in
Yeah,
that
those-
chain.
No, that was those-
Biologically so.
No, those were all scripted
Yeah.
stories.
Yeah, and you're talking about measurements. Excuse me, did you not hear my story that involved rulers?
Yes, I did hear that.
What's the
special-
ruling on that case, by the way?
Filthy and dirty.
Ooh.
Well, special guest, you legally signed a contract that you would spill a juicy story on this, so you have to now.
And not only that, we need you to, because being in the adult industry, we need you people to be freakier than us. If we're just emulating empty fantasies, this would all just seem a lot less hot and sexy.
You guys are above and beyond the land of fantasies.
Thank you.
Like no, this.
Listen, you
I'm
can't write this shit.
actually taking notes. I will be writing this shit.
You're welcome, then.
Potentially a new category.
Yes, we are always open to new things.
I haven't been able to come in a while.
I am a little.
Maybe something new and spicy.
I'm getting turned on a little bit.
Whoa, get your hand off of my leg. Oh my God, you can't touch me like that. I'm calling HR.
Wait,
Whoa.
Which
I am
Professional, sir.
Whoa.
Which one?
That is so inappropriate.
What is going? I knew we shouldn't have invited this internet pervert on our show.
I know, and to think I was just about to give you a name for your category. Oh, no.
This is incredibly inappropriate.
Maybe I
HR
misread the
fucking
situation.
stuff.
Wait, what was that?
Oh, yeah, you wish you knew. Did you not hear me? Well, if you want to hear that name again, you better spill the tea.
Spill the tea.
Okay.
Tell us something naughty.
There's a couple things. All right. I don't. Are you guys like quantity or quality? Like how many people constitutes
All
a
of it.
pool full of poon?
Ew. What?
Keep talking.
I'm just saying we've had to get rid of some bodies from suffocation.
Wow, that went way too far. Murders.
Disgusting.
Hold on.
Oh, no.
Also-
I mean,
Now that's
allegedly.
a category that
Alleg-
excites me.
So this is a smut film channel that you run?
No, allegedly. This really did not.
I'm
I don't-
allegedly Allison, and I've never heard of anything like that before.
Not even allegedly.
Are these films shot on 8mm film?
We do have a couple things like that, yes.
All right. Well,
I prefer 16 mil myself.
size queen.
Thank
Well,
you.
you know-
Recognizing.
That's about it for today's show.
I'm calling HR.
Check out a certain porn station with a new category, HR fucking stuff.
We're going to get some caffeine and we're going to maybe have a little bit of a slip and slide after the break.
Get loose.
Get loose. We want to thank you for being here from the porn industry. Finally, we had to squeeze some freaky tales out of this guy, but we got something out of him. This is Freaky Leaks.
If
And
you'd like
check-
to support females in entertainment, being just boss bitches, go to Daddy Warfucks, daddycam.com.
And remember, if you're looking for some notoriety, get filthy in the office, and you might just end up on Freaky Leaks.
And remember, global warming is a myth. Invest in oil.
All right. All the ladies, let me hear you say, oh. That's right. It's time for the annual Sweat T-shirt concert of New Jersey. Meow, 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 meow. You already know. I got my co-host here, Hoozy Lou. Give it up for Hoozy Lou.
Hey, y'all. I'm visiting all the way up from the south, and I'm so happy to be here with my best girlfriend.
That's right. This is my cousin from another loving mother. And I'm your hostess with the mostest, Hoozy Senior. Hosting every year, touching all the men. I will give you all the reviews. Shall we bring them out, Hoozy Lou?
I can smell them already. I love it. I have to say, coming up from the south, I feel so good about just about doing something for the community here. And tell the people listening, tell the people watching what all this money's going for.
Oh, well, let me tell you, this money is going to fund us. This is how we pay our bills for the year. Am I right, Hoozy Lou?
We are charity cases.
Meow, 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 meow. And these are our sugar daddies, if you are so inclined to call them.
So
Shall we bring them out?
It looks like our first contestant
Big boy.
is from West Orange. Come on
Burnt
out.
orange.
Daddy Frummins.
They call me Daddy Frummins up here. Oh, guess what? My real name's Vincenzo.
Vincenzo, and boy is he looking sexy and white, but it's a little too dry at the moment. We'll fix that.
Just
He
wait for
remi-
this. I'm getting
Oh
that
my
cardio
goodness.
Up. Oh,
Ooh, now can you flip it around
What?
and bend it over?
Oh my stars and stripes.
watch me tuck it.
Oh,
There
that
it is.
is
Yeah, Daddy.
unholy. Make me go to church on
You like
Sunday.
that? Straight out of Wotown, baby.
Yeah, do
Make you
that
see
thing
God.
that makes you uncomfortable, baby.
Pinch. Oh.
That's it. That's
Yeah.
it. Yeah.
What do you, no, a double pinch. Ooh.
Oh, I
Now-
think he pierced something.
Now, honey, we got an assistant coming up on stage.
Wait.
He's gonna hog tie you.
Wait.
Oh, yeah. I'll
Wait,
let
how
him-
wait.
sweaty
What are you
we can
broads
get
telling
ya.
me about? I didn't agree to this in Home Depot, okay?
We scoured all the Home Depots
Shut up.
this side of Clifton, and we found all of the men that qualified. You have to be over 230 pounds.
That's right. Big
you
boys.
have to be a
only.
big boy. We better see your nipples through your shirt.
And you better know how to get wet and get us wet.
You better be sweating in air conditioning.
Look at these nipples. They're like fresh cut gabagool.
And now it's time for our next contestant. He's the assistant to the assistant of this show. And let me tell you, he knows how to assist, okay?
Oh, it's me, Freddie Four Balls. How you all doing here?
Hey, Freddie Four
Howdy, Freddy Four Balls. How many balls you actually got?
Oh, I got, two
Show
on me,
us.
2 for backups.
Picks or it didn't
I got
happen.
6.
All right, well,
now
we can't wait to
those
see.
balls in a knot, you dirty fuck.
We want to watch. We want to watch.
Oh, come on now. You like it. You know you
your
like it.
balls in a knot. Now do 10 jumping jacks.
Ow.
Ooh,
Okay.
Can you tie him in a knot? Can you tie him in a bow?
I can throw him over my shoulder like a continental soldier.
Yeah, baby. That's right
My
up your
balls hang
alley,
low.
baby.
Oh my goodness, he looks like a present on Christmas morning.
Oh, I don't mind opening that box. Here's my unwrapping video.
Oh, I like it.
Ooh, pop them drawers.
Oh, that snapped him. That snapped him good.
Freddy
Nasty
Four
boy.
Balls, what makes you sweat?
Oh,
And not in a sexy way. What's your actual deepest, darkest fear, you slimy little turd?
I gotta think about that. But really, temperature makes me sweat. Motion makes me sweat. Pretty much everything makes me sweat.
What about the thought of dying?
Oh, sweating. I'm sweating.
Ooh, that's what we like to
Sweating
hear.
in the grave.
All right, and our final contestant. He is stinky. He is filthy. He is a motherfucking floor-licking, sweaty-tongued motherfucker.
He's been doing what all we can think of to call is a push-up slam down since he's been backstage.
let
Called
me
to the
tell you.
stage, Dirty Johnny.
Hey, how you doing? Hey, good guys, all of you. I need haters. You need haters.
Oh, you're nothing without your haters, am I right?
You're right. Look at this.
I'll give you a little hate.
Grandfather.
I'll give you a little hate. Oh, you like that? You like that bad boy?
I kind of do like that. Grandfather of 2, and I still
Ooh.
can rock this bod. Look at
Oh, baby. Oh, daddy. Oh, granddaddy.
Look at this.
Here at the West Side Bar, we couldn't afford the full Jello pool, but we have 16 Jello packets. We're gonna dump on you and make you dance.
Wait. Before you do that, I actually had this sweat pooling airbrushed on so that I
What?
could maybe have an advantage.
I feel like-
It's not cheating. It's not technically cheating.
that's
I'm
cheating.
just worried. I'm
Hey.
just worried that if you dump Jello on me, it will ruin the look.
Listen,
Oh, sweetie.
if you can sweat through that, we will not disqualify you. I guarantee.
I gotta push for disqualification over here. Look at this guy. Pre-sweat.
Let's see if he can.
Pre-sweat.
If he can sweat through that pre-sweat, I'm not going to be mad about it. Okay, I will lick it off you.
I'm gonna do
I
jumping
will
jacks
lick it
right
off
now.
every inch.
Oh my goodness.
Look at him go.
He's about 9 to 5. He's about to just be disqualified from life, if you know what I mean.
Oh my God, the Jello is congealing.
It's growing.
Oh no, he's morphing.
It's melded onto him. That's horrible.
I think it's time to turn up the heat.
Let's turn it up.
Woo!
All
All right, turn all those fire pits up to 16.
I want all the contestants out on the stage. Y'all are gonna wrestle.
Oh, wait. What?
Oh, the Jello mustache.
I sweat right through it. Did you guys fucking see that?
Look at the Stugats on that
my
guy.
God.
The shirt
Look at
disintegrated
the balls
right
on
off
that
his
guy.
body.
It's
You've
Shit.
heard of nipples that can cut glass? Well, these
Oh my
nipples cut
God.
Jello powder, baby.
Now,
Oh
all
my
you
God.
guys wrestle. I used to down on the farm fantasize about all the hogs battling with each other in the mud. I want that recreated right now.
Yeah.
Come here,
Asses-
Dead Johnny.
Come here, dead
Asses
bod.
up,
Hey, let me
gentlemen.
get in on some of that, guys.
Oh, from behind.
Snuck up.
You
Snuck up
slippery.
on you.
You
Look
slippery
at
little
those.
son of
Look
a...
at these
What is that,
slick
strawberry?
posteriors.
They're going for the blue ribbon. You can see it.
My shirt is so much sweat.
Not my hair. Not
And by
my
blue
hair.
grab
ribbon,
my
it is
Soprano
a
right here.
blue thong. It is
Oh,
extra
God.
floss.
It's in my mouth. It's in my mouth.
Oh, I like that. Oh, let me see. Let me put my fingers in there. I want to feel it. Oh. Oh yeah. Oh, it is wet in there.
Yeah.
Oh, God.
Now
Oh,
we're
it's
gonna
nice
take.
and wet.
Now we're gonna take Vincenzo's shirt, wring it out into Dirty Johnny's mouth.
Oh, yeah,
Open
he's gonna like
it.
like
that.
the
Bitch.
taste of that.
He's gonna like that.
Oh, I've
he
been
loves
eating a
it.
lot of asparagus lately. I'm sorry.
Oh yeah. Oh, you eating your greens there? You eating your greens, granddaddy?
Do I win?
I think I threw up in my mouth.
Not yet. Not until we come.
What kind of establishment is this?
Now we're having
Shut
a
up.
sweating twerking contest.
Bend over, boy, bitches.
Okay. All right.
All right.
Oh yeah. Oh, I'm grinding
Really
out.
working up a crack sweat.
Can I ask a question?
Yeehaw, baby, yeehaw.
Oh,
Where-
it's coming out of my wazoo.
If you have to ask, you're a dumb bitch.
Where
Even
is-
if you do ask, you're a dumb bitch.
where is the audience? I don't. I just hear sound effects.
Shut up.
I don't see any cameras either.
I was promised the Sawzall.
Is this
Oh, I'll give you a sawzall.
is this just your hotel room or is this? I mean,
Y'all
These
knew when
motherfuckers
you
are talking too
responded
much.
to
This
the
isn't the convention
Craigslist
center.
ad.
This isn't the convention center.
You knew when you responded to the Craigslist ad that this was
Someone
what it
gonna
would
get
be.
that?
somebody at the door.
What happened here?
Noise complaint?
Who the fuck is it?
Downstairs.
Oh, it's on room service.
Oh, I think I ordered a couple things. That might be me.
Bring it on in. Who are you?
Room service.
What's your name?
And the neighbors want you guys to kind of turn it down.
Did you
a little bit.
You got
Shut
some
this
real.
guy up. You better shut
Did
this guy up.
Wait.
You got some.
Did you bring all this up the stairs? We're on the 7th floor.
I mean, they asked us to carry the tray.
You
and
seem
we
a
just,
little sweaty. What's your name?
You got some nice.
I am working up a little sweat. It's kind
Fuck,
of
that
busy
guy
in
is
here.
sweaty.
You got
What's
some
your-
nice discoloration in your armpits there.
Can
Oh,
you
fuck.
can you pick up that Salisbury steak and turn around?
Yeah.
No,
it up off
no, pick it up
throw
with
it
your
on
mouth.
the ground.
He's a fucking ringer.
Pick it up off the ground.
Pick it up with your mouth.
Oh yeah.
There's a lot of noise. What's been going on up in here,
Boys,
you guys?
he's a natural.
He's a natural.
Look
You
at the
boys
dad
better be
bod.
scared.
Where's
Look
the
at-
crowd? I like this.
Look at the belly
You got
on
a
this
white.
guy.
You got a white shirt under that vest. Take this
Oh,
vest
sweetheart,
off.
we love this, but
This is why we chose the Marriott by the airport. It's the
Ooh,
best.
and
Look
he's
at
got
the
an
service.
Audi. Oh,
Are you guys going to tip me?
we want you to like it
oh,
less.
I'll
though.
give you the tip.
Just wait. How's that one go? Just a tip?
Oh yeah, you know it, baby. I don't know. I feel like we might have a new winner. Give me a piece of that.
Wait. Do I still get to wrestle him for supremacy?
I think you can keep going.
Who's in Lou? I love our family reunions. This is amazing.
These are the best ideas we've had. I love seeing you, sis.
Yeah.
What?
All right, everybody get the fuck out of here. We're just going to roll around on the sweaty carpet.
Wait, I
Leave
don't
your
have my
shirts.
wife beater.
Where's
Leave
my
all the
$40?
shirts. Get
I was
the
promised.
fuck out.
I was promised a 6-pack of Milwaukee Beast.
You said $40.
Y'all can argue over the Salisbury steak. Get the fuck out of here.
I
Yeah.
need my tip.
Get the fuck out. I threw it all out of the door. Bye.
What a bitch. Instant Microwave Fuzz is a weekly improvised sketched comedy podcast recorded live at the Fuzzbox Studios in Lahaina, Hawaii, on the beautiful island of Maui. To learn more about the Fuzzbox Studios and their mission to encourage, inspire, and empower individuals in developing their creative vision by providing an environment to cultivate their skills and talents, check us out at Fuzzbox. What is it? FuzzboxProductions.com. At FuzzboxProductions.com. Check out our website, instantmicrowavefuzz.buzzsprout.com. You can find us on all the things under IMF Maui and Instant Microwave Fuzz. Support the show on Patreon at Instant Microwave Fuzz on Patreon. And big thanks to our patrons, Will and Alan, and our new top patron, Paul. Thank you so much for supporting us. We'll see you next week. Thank you.